Hello and once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Finastro Cycles by Nitin Bhandari. As I mentioned in the previous video, I wanted to make this video on the Mercury retrograde. So basically Mercury is a planet of communication, volume, business, and it turned retrograde on 27 on this day. So if I click it here, it shows that Mercury retrograde. So any planet going retrograde or direct is an important reversal date, especially the planet which is in the inner circle of our solar system. So whether it is a Mercury, Venus or Mars, any of these. So usual thoughts about the Mercury retrograde is market doesn't move, market is in the very tight range or something like that. I put it in a different way and I did a research on this, which I keep sharing with the every time Mercury goes retrograde and I share with the people. So this time when Mercury has turned retrograde, let's see and analyze what has happened in the history. So what we do, we start from the 1996. We take all the data from 1996, and during the phase of Mercury retrograde, Mercury remains retrograde for 21 days. So what happens in those 21 days? Especially in isolation, we are studying Mercury retrograde and its effect on Nifty. So here there are 82 instances if we see that Mercury has gone retrograde, and out of that 46 times it was up and 36 times it was down. So 56% during that phase, from the date it went retrograde to the date it went direct, it was up, and 43.9% from the date when it went retrograde to it went direct was down 43% of the time. Now, if you see on an average, you see that it is down 4% in all those 82 instances, 3.99 to be precise, and up 3.83%. So in these 21 days, it is either 4% down on an average and 3.83% up. If we see that how much it has gone up from the low to high, 8%, from high to low 3%, from high to exit 7.47%. So these are the detailed ones which I think for normal traders it is of no not for normal traders, but this is a part of my research work. The more important point I want to tell here, that what happens in those 82 instances, and if it is up, how much it is up, and if it is down, how much it is down. So I want to see that more than 5% move after it up or down move after it is going retrograde or direct. So from the day of retrograde, from 27 September, how many times it has moved more than 5%. So I'll take the 5%, I'll take the 7% and 10%. So that gives me 47 times it has moved that much, which means from the day of ingress, it has a potential to go down on an average up to 5 to 10%. And from the day of uh, retrograde, it has a potential to go up 42 times, which is also 5 to 7%. So what point I want to make it here, that if we bifurcate it here and if we do more detailed analysis, that in these 21 days, out of 82 times, out of 82 times, it has a potential to go down 47 times, a sharp move of 5 to 10% on the downward, as well as 42 times up move of 5 to 7%. So right now from the day of ingress, if you see, this is the date when it went retrograde, and it made a high of 17,943.50. This is a cash nifty. So on the day of retrograde, it made a high, and from there it has started moving down, and now it has down 1.56% so far. So there is another potential for going down another 4 or 5% from these levels before it starts moving up. So this is the detailed analysis of the Mercury retrograde. There are some instances where their move was more than 10%. So 8 times, which is a 10% of 82, out of 82 instances, 8 times it has moved more than 10%, and 6 time it was up more than 10%. So the moral of the story is that during this time the market may react very sharply. Now we have to see that in which sign Mercury is retrograde. So right now it is in the sign of Libra. Number 7 is I have assigned to the Libra, and we will do a study and see what happens in the this sign. So we'll disregard this instance which is going on. Last last 6 instances it was 50-50. So 3 times it was down, 3 times it was up. Now if you see that down moves like 2008 and 96 and 2002, they were 5%, 4% and 15%. And 2001 it was up 7%, 3% and 2%. So right now it has only dropped from the ingress is a 1.56%, and in the all the cases, even it has to be up, it has to drop at least 2.8%. So if I take the average of these, leaving that outlier, so that also will be approximate 4% down move further from here. So this is the important characteristic of Mercury retrograde. Especially during the Mercury retrograde, one has to be uh, focused on the stocks which Mercury rules. That's a communication stock, tech stocks, and especially the not only the Indian market but in the overseas market, Nasdaq is very much affected by the Mercury retrograde because it is a everything is a tech there. So one has to watch Nasdaq as well, as because Nasdaq has a very high correlation with Indian Nifty. So this was a broader understanding of Mercury retrograde, and another point here is that it made the high on the day of retrograde, and all these instances when the high was made either on the day of retrograde or on the day of within 1 or 2 day of retrograde, the Nifty has closed down. Look at these all three instances in the past, and it has closed. It has made a high on the day of retrograde. So what does that mean? Nifty is hardly 1.5% away from this high, and it has a potential for a downside, a big downside possibilities there. This view will be negated once it starts moving up above this high. Then it has a potential to rally sharply from here, and that will be a different story. But in none of the cases, in none of the down cases, it has not. It has to make a high in next, it has to break this high of 27 September in next 3 days, which means by 5th, 6th of October. 5th, 6th October I mentioned in other videos also. That's very strong reversal point. There is an intense energy forming on that day. So one has to be careful. So this is a lot of technical and astrological stuff in this Mercury retrograde analysis. the sheet may look a bit of you know a bit of confusing, but that's how it is. That is the way I do the research on the markets. When the markets when especially the retrograde and direct of the planets are there. Why this time it is important? Because it is in the sign of Venus, which is rules the money and the markets. So that is that one has to give the extra emphasis, and one has to be more careful this time. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening to this important update. Please do share this especially this video with others, because there is a lot of misinformation about the Mercury retrograde, especially in the financial astrology world. So thank you once again.